Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own alcohol ink. It's super easy, and these are the supplies you'll need. You're going to need 91% or higher isopropyl alcohol. So first thing you're going to want to do is just grab your Sharpie and your pliers and grab that tip of your Sharpie right there. This is for the retractable Sharpies. I'm going to show you how to do the other ones too. And you really kind of just move the Sharpie back and forth and that thing pops out of there. It might take you a minute, but just keep trying and it'll come out. I noticed this green is a little bit dry, so I'm going to grab a yellow and do that one too. On these guys, you just have to grab the pliers right there on the end and twist the gray part, and these ones pop out super easy. Put all of your inks on a plate or something that you can use that you don't really care about because it'll get messy. Cut with your box cutter or your X-Acto knife. And you can see the green one, it's pretty dry right there, so that's why I added the yellow to it. And then just pour in your rubbing alcohol or your isopropyl alcohol, and just enough to cover it up, not too much. And once you have them covered up, you just want to grab your container and give it a little shake. Then you just pop the lid on and let these guys sit overnight. Here is how the purple turned out. I am going to take my little plastic fork and scoop out the ink part and make sure I didn't miss any other particles that might be in there floating around. And that's it. You have alcohol ink. Pretty easy, right? And this way is awesome because you can make your own custom colors. I just keep my alcohol ink in these little containers, but you could get those eyedropper bottles off Amazon, but I don't need them, so I do it this way. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. I'm going to be coming out with a new video on Friday too. Thanks guys. Bye.